Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Wala ba kayong
Protect the kaibigan, mga kaibigan.
Yeah.
peace?
Every action has its pleasures and its paths. This quote by Socrates means we get benefits from what we do, but what we do entails consequences too. A price that we need to pay. Good day. Today, I want to share to all of you my basic knowledge about the worsening global problem, the pollution, specifically the air pollution which is caused, or which is made by us humans. You know, pollution is the introduction of harmful materials in the environment. These materials are called pollutants. Pollutants made by humans is constantly increasing as the size of population increases. And these pollute the air, land, and water, which became the root for the other two major global issues, the climate change and global warming. Pollution in the air is caused by the things that gives us benefits, such as burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas to generate electricity. Burning of gasoline to power vehicles produces carbon monoxide, which is harmful in high concentrations. Factories that make different products, whereas individuals smoking dust carbon emissions. Cities, different kinds of air pollutants are scattered in the sky, producing negative results such as acid rain that kills trees, plants, and agricultural crops. Smog that makes breathing difficult for us, and of course the increasing amount of greenhouse gases in our sky that causes the heat from the sun to be trapped. That is why we have global warming and climate change. Look, all I'm trying to say is pollution has many serious negative effects on the planet we are living in. So let us not be blinded by the pleasures we get from things that make our lives easier and better, but instead be mindful of the price that we need to pay in order for us to live not just more better, but also safer. In conclusion, pollution is specifically air pollution is indeed a serious problem not just by us, but by all the people living in this planet. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of ways to lessen its negative effects if we want to, and these ways are very cliche. Now, it's up to us if we want to take action about this worsening global problem. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to end my speech with a quote by Albert Einstein. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. Thank you very much.